I don't know. He said we didn't have jelly in the tank, so that's a good sign.
Been sitting for 5 months.
More than that.
Let's see.
Tried. Smoke's good.
Cool.
You're interfering with all the foghorns out there.
Should we just dump in the rest of those oils?
That's what real Harley sound like, not that modern crap.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I fucking love it.
Sounds powerful.
It'll probably beat your bike. Power to weight ratio.
And now that it has a good transmission in it.
And it's got a shifter that might work.
Yeah, it might actually fucking do shit.
Okay, go find a zip tie for that.
All right.
So you don't
Should we
break
dump those
that off.
oils in there?
Yeah, go find a zip tie. We'll get to go find one on the clock behind the clock. Or there should be some zip ties. Get one of the shorter ones. You don't need a 2-foot long one.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, I don't know. It's, yeah, it sounds looks like there's a little, some damping in there somewhere. I think it's a restrictor somewhere in there. I think it's the exhaust valve though.
Who's gonna test ride it? You and Tatro?
I ain't riding this piece of crap. Jeez. Let me ride junk for. I got enough junk of my own to ride. Yeah, it's only 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm sure it wasn't too loud. Oh, it's not 3 yet. Look at that. It's only 2:45. Yeah, it's wake up call.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta get up early. Go to church.
Oh yeah, fucking Sunday.
Yeah, nobody sleeps in on Sunday.
Welcome.
All right, I gotta pour some oil in this thing. This thing holds like 3 gallons in this thing.
Yeah, it does. I like it.
Did it look like it come up at all, or?
What? The oil? Yeah, yeah. No, there was definitely some in there.
Okay.
So it didn't all end up on the floor.
Yeah, most of it. His oil change was let it leak in my shop for a year.
Half a year.
Let's see, it was more than half a year.
No, it wasn't.
I think it was.
No, it was like 4 months.
I think it was more than that.
I mean, yeah.
This is not June 2020 no more.
Yeah, I got the sticker in the.
Yeah, I can tell it's on the bike where it belongs. Yeah.
No, I got a new one already.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, that one's expired.
Yeah. That's why I'm not riding at home.
What?
I got my tags are expired. June.
You know the last time this was registered?
When?
2 years ago.
This is a goopy. This is 70 way, right?
Yeah, we're up to 70 now. Walker's over here freezing his tail off.
Yeah, it's goddamn cold.
Oh, dude, pussy.
I am.
That's not too thick, is it? It looks like
Look at
molasses
that.
coming
It
out.
is.
Is that too thick? Nah, that's just right.
It won't
Motor
leak
honey.
as much.
Motor honey. Ironheads like thick ass oil. All old Harleys do. It makes them live a lot better. They love that thick oil in there. Nice and protection on all the surfaces. And it will dissipate heat better too. Thick oil will dissipate heat quicker than thin oil. People don't believe that, but it's true.
What's that for that one?
You gonna get every last drop in there? That stuff's expensive. You're throwing stuff at me. What's up with that, dumbass? That's a lousy ass kick.
I didn't want to boot it at you.
Yeah, I can tell. Find some-
What was that? Someone throwing bottles at you.
Somebody had a bottle in my damn car when I drove over here last night. Drove over the damn bottle, broke it. Trying to poke holes in my tire. Stupid ass Mexican Coke bottle.
Well, got some spillage.
Did you make a leak?
Yep.
Oh, well, now it won't rust.
No, just smoke.
Oh, well. Did the headlight work or not?
Yeah, headlight works, taillight
Okay.
works. Everything works. Actually, I want to check the.
I've got a zip tie here now, too. Let's see.
I want to check the front axle nut.
There's an axle, that's all I need.
I want to make sure it's tight. Can
Why?
you do that for me?
Why would you check to see if it's tight?
Can you check that for me?
That whole front end doesn't matter what you do to it.
You got front brakes too?
Nope. Mechanical brake in the back, and that's it.
There's a brake there, don't do nothing, that's not hooked up.
Andrew can't make you no brake up front?
Oh no, it's in there. I just need to get an arm for it.
Yeah, I think it was tight once.
Yeah, I mean, I used it once. I'm like, it's a mini drum. Like, it's not going to do shit.
There you go.
All right. So let's
Load it up.
You ain't gonna test ride it?
I don't have my helmet.
Make sure you go in every fucking.
All right, Walker's done for the night. He's gonna go put it in bed in his truck.
Yup. I'll
Okay.
swing it around tomorrow.
All right, there you go. We don't know if it shifts or not. He'll find that out tomorrow.
Yeah.
At least it won't be around me.
Nope.